Let's talk about lithium, one of the oldest and most reliable medications used in psychiatry. Known as the gold standard for treating bipolar disorder, lithium helps prevent extreme mood swings, stabilizing both manic and depressive episodes. How does it work? While its exact mechanism isn't fully understood, lithium is believed to modulate neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine, protect brain cells and enhance mood stability, reduce the risk of suicide in people with mood disorders. When is lithium used? Bipolar disorder, for both maintenance and acute mania, occasionally for treatment-resistant depression. So, how is it taken? Daily oral tablets or liquid? Blood levels must be monitored regularly to stay in the therapeutic range. Effects may take 1 to 3 weeks to fully kick in. Common side effects include increased thirst and urination, hand tremors, weight gain, nausea. Serious risks if levels go too high: toxicity, confusion, vomiting, unsteady walking, or seizures. And here are some important safety tips. Stay hydrated, as dehydration raises lithium levels. Be cautious with NSAIDs and diuretics. Never adjust the dose without your doctor. Despite newer medications, lithium remains one of the most effective long-term treatments for bipolar disorder. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more medical animations.